Ever thought you might want to make your own chipotle peppers in adobo sauce? Here's why I do. Because I want to avoid the corn oil, wheat flour, starch from who knows where, caramel coloring, and more. This is my version of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and wow, is it tasty. And you can even variate the hotness that you like. Watch the video and see. This is actually very simple to make. First, heat 2 cups of boiling water in a saucepan, then take 6 dry chipotle peppers, or if you like it less hot, do 4 dry chipotle peppers and 1 dry ancho pepper. Then simmer on low for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then we're going to remove the tops and slice one side open and scrape out and discard the seeds. Then we're going to go back to our saucepan and we're going to add 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, add those chipotle peppers in there with 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Then 2 drops of black pepper essential oil and 3 drops of lime essential oil. This gives it such great flavor. Plus 1 tablespoon of white wine or apple cider vinegar. Then we're just going to mix that just a little bit and allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's all there is to it. Now put it in your bowl and it's ready to use, unless you'd like to break it up a little bit, and I usually do. I like to just get my kitchen scissors and cut it up just a little bit in pieces, and that is a personal preference actually. Now add to all your favorite South food recipes, including my Chipotle bowls, which is super yum. Healthy is simple. If you wonder how essential oils can help improve your gut health, download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide to learn why and how to use them. Then ask your questions, like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching.